Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an options contract with amazing probability of success and also huge potential for a return if we can see a move this week. Now the stock I'm going to be targeting on for this video is DraftKings stock, and that's as a result of them being down massively over the last week, and with so much downside already realized for this company, any strong catalyst could push this stock to the upside very substantially. Now usually I try to focus on the longer term vision with a stock and skip on topics that were a lot more speculative like this video here, but yesterday I made an amazing options trade with DraftKings stock which netted me over 50% return in a single day. So without further ado, don't hesitate to subscribe if you enjoy this video, and let's get straight into it. The options contract we're going to be considering today is the $35 call expiring December 23rd, and the reason why I like this specific option is because there's plenty of time left for DraftKings to make a move, and there's also plenty of upside left on these contracts even though they're pretty cheap. Now actually the bid and ask spread of the contracts is also very tight, which means that there will always be a buyer waiting for you when you try to sell this contract in the future. Now, of course, the plan is not to hold until expiration, but instead we're going to be trying to profit off 2 or 3 amazing days of movement with DraftKings stock. And since today the stock rose around 8% at highs, we really do need to be careful because it's likely that tomorrow will be a little bit more red or flat. But I really did want to release this video because once this stock is able to cool off, I'm expecting another 8% day like the one we saw today. And now in order to know if any given day is actually this 8% day, we're going to need to focus on seeing whether the volume of the stock is in favor of those buying or in favor of those selling at the opening of the day. So that's going to be absolutely critical to keep in mind as a trader. And you can see that DraftKings was selling off massively most of the days it opened with red volume, and now that the stock has been rising over the last few days, the volume has started opening very green, and this is no coincidence. According to the website optionsprofitcalculator.com, this options contract has potential to earn upwards of 300% return if we do hit our target at around $40 a share over the next few days, which could 3x a small trading account in a very short amount of time. So as always guys, with this amazing amount of potential, we need to remember to set a stop loss once entering this trade at around 10% loss or almost $15. So if this trade flips against you guys, please consider getting out of it as soon as possible. And that's one of the things that we need to keep in mind as traders. Anything could really happen in this market, and everything I've said in this video is my best guess on what's going to be happening. So as always, really take it with a grain of salt. Again guys, it's best to wait a trading day before entering a new position if you do end up selling out or taking a loss. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe down below, and I hope all your trades are in the green.